welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle and today we are in Fredericksburg, Texas in the cutest tiny tree house, and I wanted to give you guys a tour of where we're staying, so let's get started. So coming in to the Airbnb that we are staying at, this is what you see coming through this wonderful door, and they have an actual key lock, and then you can actually double lock it on the inside, so if you're scared of anything or if you believe in Bigfoot like I do, then that'll be your best friend. So as soon as you come in, we have like this big, beautiful, bright just window, and it's so nice. The owner actually, he is a carpenter, so he built all three of these on his own. There are two other ones. Obviously I did not rent those, so I'm not going to be touring them, but I do plan on coming back and staying in the other two so that I can see what those are about, and I'll definitely link them below also because they're so beautiful. But you get a wonderful scenery. We are actually on private land. Deer were actually passing through here this morning, and I got a little bit too excited in the midst of like my little photo shoot that I was doing by myself. So I don't know, it's really, really nice. It's very, very cozy. It's very quiet, and at night it is super dark, so I could not film at night, and I would love to show you guys like how everything looks in here at the night, but it is just way too dark, and I'm actually using my iPhone because I don't have my other camera with me, so I don't think it would resonate very well. But passing through, then you have this wonderful seating area that again looks out into the pasture, the grassland. I can actually see the other Airbnb from here, but this is just like where you get to chill and relax. He has lights, okay, so there are like different little light switches, and I did turn those lights on just so that, for the purposes again of this video, because I am using my iPhone and the lighting was just a little weird. But he has lights for here. You can turn that off, which is pretty cool. He also has little games and stuff. He has actual binoculars for you to use, which I thought was pretty neat. And then he has books that I actually kind of did look at and start reading because these are just so cute. They remind me of the books my mom used to buy us when we were kids, so fun. And then before we get to that way, we'll just go through here. So you come in, you walk up some stairs, and it is a queen size bed. Beautiful, everything, I believe either his wife or whoever, they kind of decorated everything together. It's a family affair. He has an awesome little record player, and he actually does have records for guests to use. So I thought that was pretty cool, and really good music, so it's a nice little vibe. The Wi-Fi works really, really good in here. He does not have a TV, and there's not really like a lot of electronic things, just because why would you want to ruin all of that with sitting inside all day? Then what I thought was pretty cool is that, so this is the AC in here, and then it's actually powered by a remote. So it's pretty neat. I like it. So then you come over here, and then you climb up. But you climb up and you get this wonderful little loft. So essentially this is more of like a couple's retreat, but if you do have small kids, they can actually probably sleep up here. And then there's a window view, and you just get a view of the wildlife. And just for space reference, so I am about 5'8" in height, and so this, you can sit in here and you can lay down pretty well. And I'm trying not to pour. I think actually, I said this was a twin earlier, but I think this is like, I don't even know. I think it's just whatever he bought and just laid it out. Next little area that they have in this Airbnb is the kitchenette. He actually does have an area for you to come cook. So this morning I actually made breakfast. So these are all the breakfast items because we actually went shopping yesterday for a little bit of things. But he has coffee, hot chocolate. He has tea, which is pretty cute. They come in these really pretty little bags. And then there's creamer, sugar, and then coffee for a Keurig if you want to do a Keurig, or you can do like a cold French press. I did not use this. I don't know. I've never been good at using French presses, so I'm not even going to mess with that. And then he has a pretty cute little fridge. I like this fridge a lot. It gives me like, these handles are just like very 50s, 60s. And again, we went shopping last night, so jump right into that. And then if you come in this way and just keep walking, he actually has everything that you need for cooking. So again, I just cooked last night. We had dinner last night and then we cooked breakfast this morning, but he had everything up here and then cups up here. And then the cool thing is that he has all the utensils that you could possibly need. So everything goes in there. This pan goes in that one, which is why it was empty. And then if you keep walking this way, we pass this beautiful, beautiful door. Light on. And then come into this beautiful bathroom. And I'm gonna try to speak loud because the fan is connected to the light. But you come into this beautiful bathroom and there are double shower heads. And then the tile is like this, like, I don't even know, but basically like all the bathroom, all this floor can get wet and it's not an issue. And last night when we showered, it actually dried really, really nice. So you don't have any issues with it, but it's like the cutest thing ever. And it's like super, super spacious between the two. So I like that. And then for my favorite part, which is partly why I booked this Airbnb, is going to be this little area on this side. So he has a full 6-foot soaking tub connected with this beautiful finish over here. And then of course, again, view of wildlife. Deer pass by through here, I'm gonna keep saying it. And it's just so sweet and nice to just hang out and chill out. At night it's really, really dark. So there's not any benefits to really, like if you want to bathe and you're kind of thinking of like booking this place and you want to think of like aesthetics for the nighttime, like trying to get pictures and stuff, you can't see out this window. Like it is pitch black. There are no street lights, there's nothing. We're on private land, so keep that in mind if you're looking at this from the link below. And then I just love that he has this plant right here. I actually have this plant at my house. These are easy plants to take care of. If you want to go to Walmart and buy it, they're like $5 and they start off really small, but they grow like really long. And then he has this wonderful little sink and this huge mirror. And then he has lights. And then he has that light. So if you do take a bath at night, or if you do a night soak, then you can definitely turn this on and just have like this wonderful, but you can probably close this if you feel more comfortable, but have like that wonderful vibe. But the whole point of using this Airbnb and coming here, I don't want to close any curtains, I don't want to cover the windows. Even at night, it is just so dark, you don't even need, if you like sleeping in the dark, you don't even need to close it because like I said, it's pitch black outside. And so now we're going to go visit the patio. So this area is really, really nice, very private, very quiet. Oh, I just heard something. I don't know, again, it's windy, so you guys, I'm so sorry. But basically, it's just this huge open space. We actually did sit out here and eat yesterday for lunch when we got into the area. So it was really, really nice and cozy. And the weather is so nice right now that it's not even hot. Just like, look at the view. Like, we'll just do a panel. Get a wonderful view, and then you want to just walk out this way. And then he actually did provide like a gas grill. The coolest part about this entire thing, I think, just because I'm a nature freak, is the fact that he incorporated this sapling into the design of the house. So I thought that was really neat. This, he also has lights out here. The lights, again, these lights aren't very bright. Last night we had them on, but it does give a nice little ambiance, and it's very romantic if you like kind of doing private retreats, if you're in a relationship or with your partner and you want to do something very romantic and fun and close by home. This is definitely the place to do it. Nightly rates vary. For what we're paying to stay here for the weekend, it's really not even that bad, and I would 1000% believe that it is completely worth it. Alright everyone, and that is pretty much all that I had for this video and this tour. I do plan on staying in more Airbnbs that are pretty unique like this one. But if you guys want to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.